All right, guys, this is the Plant Bamboo Part 2, I'll call it. This is all the stuff in the truck pit. So there's a lot of really big trucks going through here all weekend, and by Saturday afternoon, it got really thick. It was almost like half-dried concrete. A lot of stuff got stuck. A few trucks made it through, like picking the easy lines, but I didn't see anything that conquered every single one of these holes. It was really nuts. But everyone's helping each other out, had a good attitude about getting stuck, and I didn't see anyone stuck too long before someone came pull them out. The next shots are my Pioneer's attempt at it. Very pathetic attempt, I admit. I went around the side, and then I ended up getting in a thick spot and get winched out backwards and break an axle. But I did try it, so yeah. So the Pioneer did pretty good overall. I was able to spin the tires in the thick stuff. I did break an axle in reverse at full lock, but whatever. I was still able to pull out a Toyota in three-wheel drive. Locked the front diff, still had good pulling with that other front wheel, so pretty happy overall. This is a pretty good shot of this crazy suspension. Like, these trucks had some serious, serious suspension travel. Watch this thing stand up. And those patties are buried. I don't remember if this guy was able to pull them out or not. I don't think he was. He snatched on them for a while, though.